1030 1280 is our size. So I'm going to teach you a trending design on this. Design is a trending one that is created by Niyi Amuda, but there is a technique he wanted to perform of which he did not finish. So, and I discovered the strategy of which we can achieve that. So I want to teach you the easy way we can get that done here in this design. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe for more. So I'll copy this, reduce it, centralize it. Let's reduce it, centralize it, lock it. I'll copy this, reduce it, let me, good, lock it, copy this. I'll reduce it, centralize it. Let me reduce it more, centralize it. I'll lock it, I'll copy this again, reduce it, centralize it. Good. Now I've locked everything. Now I'll come to this area and I'll create another chip to form some techniques which we're going to be working with. So I'll come here, I'll reduce this to this size. Good. Let's look at it. It's almost the same. So let's use our relative position. Make it at the center. Let's take it up a little. Let's take it up. Good. Let's copy. Let's bring it down. Good. Up. Good. Copy. Let's rotate it. Angle 90. That is minus 90. Now let's send it to this edge and let's move it. Good. Are you getting the simple technique I'm using now? Lock. Copy again. Center. Let's take it in. This design is designed with Photoshop, but I'm teaching you simple technique we can use in getting this done with the help of our Pixellab. So all we just need is thinking. If you can think it, you can achieve it. Thinkers are takers. Let's bring this down a little. Good. Let's copy it. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe for more. Good. Now what do we need to do? Let's bring it another template which is pure white, like this. Let's centralize it. Let's send it to the back. Send to back. Now we're going to group everything by merging them. So here in Pixellab, the tool we use in grouping is known as merge. So merge everything to become one. Click on this arrow to merge. Are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Okay. Now it's processing. Now the object has been merged. Now what do we need to do? We'll lock this one and duplicate it by copying it. We'll lock this one at the down. Then let's work with this one at the up. Now what we need to do? Let's go to our erase color tools. Let's click on it. Enable. Now you see the white color has already been erased from it. So let's go and change this color to any color of our choice. Let me just go and change it to normal red. Now that for me, the reason why I do that for me to remove this white line you are seeing between. So you see it has been removed. Good, save. So then this other one here, I'm going to off this and on this now. So this other one, what are we going to do? We are going to pick go back to our eraser tool and click on it, then enable it. Now we're going to use this eye drop tool to pick the red. Good. You see what we just did now? As we pick the red now, what you are seeing now is now white. But if you look at the white very well, you see a red line between. So to remove that red line, we'll go to our color. Let's go to our color and enable. Now see it has turned red. Let's change it to white. Now it has turned white. Now look at it very well. That red line is no longer there again. Good. Now that I've done this, now let's form our wonderful shape. And how can we form this shape we're about to form now? We can still duplicate this. Let's duplicate it in case we made a mistake, and let's send it to down. Now this one here, now we are going to come to these tools. We're going to come to this tool, eraser tool, and this one we are working with. We're going to come to eraser tool and do some cleaning. Let's copy it. Let's go to eraser tool and do some cleaning. The part that is not needed, we'll clean it off. Any part you see me clean is a part that is not needed in the design. Let me zoom it. Be very careful. So okay, now we've cleaned it. You see what we got now back. So now we come here and open this. You see, we just form a shape there. Now let's change this color. Let's change this color to white to see the shape we just created. Now let's go to color and change it to white. Let's change it to white. Good. This is the shape I'm talking about. Now what we need to do, we come here and we merge it together. Before we merge together, let's just photocopy this also, duplicate it and send it to back. Now these are the two tools we are going to do what? Merging. Good. We merge them together. Now you see the shape we just created now. If you find this helpful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. So I'll place this shape somewhere here. This is the shape we are going to be using. I'll place it somewhere here. Now let me go and bring in the image we're going to be using. So I'll draw another wonderful. Let me even change it to what? White background. Let me go and change the white background. White background. Good. I know you'll be asking. Let me just change this to something else. White background. Let me change this color to something else for the now. Now let's go. Let me go and bring in the images we are using for this design. Let's bring in another one. So all the images used for this design will be uploaded in the description bar where the resources is. So in order to send a request, now for you to have access to all the resources used, let me send a request, subscribe and send a request, and I will grant you access to all the resources used. Good. Now I'm going to take this up. Are you getting the technique now? Let's rotate it. Good. Let's change this color to white. Good. Let's bring in a chip. Let's use color picker to get the color, this color here. Good. Let it be between here. Let's take it up. Let's move it up a little. Good. I believe it's locked already. Let's take this up a little, this right up. Let's take this right up a little. Let's bring in a shadow here. I believe you understand how to create shadow effects. I've said it several times. Reduce this and let the circle reduce and extend so that that hole will not be displaying. Yes, see the hole is not displaying again. Come to blur, reduce, increase to the end, which is 25. Then let's do this. Bring it down. Reduce it. Let's reduce the opacity. Let's make it 70. Let's bring it to down. Good. Now let's bring in some wonderful shape. We're going to be using this color in the shape. Let's make use of color picker to pick the color from the shade. Let's make it 15. Let's say 18. Let's lock it or copy it. Now we rotate it. So now we are going to save this work. Mercy Minister Miss. So let's open a new template. Let's open a new template and do some text manipulation. Long life and prosperity. So we are going to let's save it. Now let's go back to our work. Let's import that text we just saved now. This is the text. So in this situation, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of perspective tools. So we are going to reduce this and rotate it. Let's go to our perspective tool. Enable. Let's work on it. Please, if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and God bless you. Let's send this to them. This is our design. So I hope you find this technique very helpful. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more learning and eye-catching tutorial like this. Good. Let's save our work. So this is our work. These are design. Happy birthday to Mercy Chiwi. So we can as well go to Adobe. Let's enter adjustment. Let's give it a little texture. Let's make it 30. Clarity 30. Sharpness 38. Let's give it Daisy 15. Let's give it contrast 15. Let's give it 14, 15. Let's give it vibrance 27. Before, now. This is before, and this is now. See? So let's save our work. Done.